Hi! Hi to all of my friends and followers at my Facebook, and please follow me at my Facebook page, which is Muso Queen Vlog, and my TikTok account Muso Queen 0988. Hi to all of my followers all over the Philippines and outside the country, which is in Dubai and other countries. Hi sa mga aking friends dyan, and to all of my supporters, thank you very much. Please watch my vlog. So while I am here sitting outside waiting for someone here, and I have a lift. Kalib ako ngayon, but of course pag nakalib syempre sumasahod pa rin, diba? Ayan ang kagandahan ng nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Bukod sa nakalib ka na, may bayad pa, diba? So, yan. Tambay lang ako dito sa aking area. Tambay-tambay lang habang so, in fairness, hindi ngayon maiinit. So, kasi malapit na yung winter. Yun lang. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.